Yo, twice Drake feature, them never do it yet. They better level up.
Some boy I love Jack.
What you say? Oh, Platinum. What them do?
May I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
Agwan. No thing set you know, man a Media Fox man. People, what really go on a dancer? So the big artists, them international artists, them, what go on? Can you look on these people? Tell me now. World Music Views posts the numbers are in for Popcaan, Nothing Without God. But Billboard, which I'm album, Billboard chart daily again for 11th time in 2025. I don't know. See, well, me no think Billboard that do anything. I feel like say these people hiding this information because they don't want the artist thing look away. See, but I just watch the first clip a while ago with Popcaan and Drake. Them time them sign with OVO, you don't know Drake thing and he must say yo 2 features and everything. But you know what the worst thing, people? You see, sometime when you really start walk by yourself, you kind of know your true fan base. Because people want to really look on this, you know. Want to really look on this. So basically, Popcaan album, seeing them said sold 500 copy. Zine, not 500 unit. Zine basically is like a lower than 500. I don't think of the full thing. Zane says like they must say yo, missing the chart this week is Popcaan's 6th studio album Nothing Without God. The album released on November the 7th, 2025. Sold fewer than 500 streaming equivalent unit in its first week. People, less than 500. What really are going to dancer? So where the fan base them for? Is the fan base connect to the artist through music or through drama or controversy or whatever them are deal with? Me not understand this. Because Popcaan a big artist, but with them little bit of album sales, you da think say you must some artists with just bust with you. There's no way the world pilot, Unruly, estate, I get them amount of sales here. This is shameful. This is shameful, people. Less than 500. And the last album what them say with Vice Cartel, less than 2,000, which it's supposed to be less than 1,000, you know. But you don't know a Cartel, them don't want it look too bad. So you're telling me these artists have millions of followers and millions of subs, and you tell me say them can at least sell 5,000 per week or for the first week or 10,000? Something is wrong here. This nah make no sense. It's not making any sense, people. May I tell you that. There's no way top international dancehall artists, Popcaan, selling less than 500 copies. No man, the Unruly fans them, on need to do better. On need to do better. So, you're telling me that, so all of the artists them where did sign and who link with this man. So you tell me say, all this time, the records them would sell at some high numbers, it was because the collab with them do, or the label get this to them. So when them go solo now by themselves, them hardly can sell things. At that to not try say. Because we can't see them artists here on a bigger level and they might get them at a lower level sales here. This just now me. So that proved to me, say, the fan base is not that interested in the artist's music. They are not. Yes, they will pop up at the show them because, you know, they want to post on social media. Say, yeah, I'm at Popcaan show. Yes, I'm at Vice Cartel show. Yeah. Them will post up that, but when them drop a music and the artist say, yo, buy this and buy that. And you know, me hate people. This is the thing. Me hate when people, like some of the artists, them they won't come out and say, yo, our people say, yo, the album, I saw it go, man, the artist never promote the album, yeah. Stop it. Stop it. Do not try find excuses, bro. Stop finding excuses. The artists, them know themselves, say them fans not buying their music. So, putting it out there is like, yo, I'm not even make no sense promote this in a car. I'm not buy. We see a lot of top international artists were sign and everybody. And them hardly sell. Seeing? We see Shensia, yo, she go right out for the album, everything of all big stick up and chuck and everything. When you check it, she drop number 7. Number 7 she drop on the album chart. Number 7 she drop. I not even know how much copy it really sell. Seeing? But she signed to a big major label back then. So me not really know what going on with these fan bases. Like, I guess them only support when them for buy a ticket. And you know, I just saw me see it. Them art, cause remember, you know, the international artists over there say, yo, when them a sell thousands a week, you know. Them a get platinums and golds. Seeing? But because this is the thing, I hate when people are talk about, yo, Jamaican no support music and all of them thing there. Come on. I know Jamaica alone, the artists them have fans. Them have fans all over the world. Jamaica alone can't save them artists a career. Imagine them artists that just stay in Jamaica and do shows. And not go international, go nowhere outside of Jamaica. What if them can't eat no food? Them have to go out there, so them fan base out. Right now, them have more fans outside of Jamaica than inside right now. Because out there so them make the big money. Out there so the arena them are full up. How much arena full up at Jamaica? Eh? Remember say there's 3 million people, you know. And out of the 3 million, I maybe like, I say about 10% maybe I support music the real way. See? And we understand with that because when it comes to supporting music, remember a lot of these platforms you have to use credit card and all of these things. And remember say Jamaica is not a wealthy country, you know. So a lot of people now go really just say, yo, man, I buy the music way. Yo, you know, support the artists. Some of them will say, yo, the artists them done rich already, you know. So I'm not take my little 2 pounds and buy no music, you know. You understand? Some of the people them don't know them IQ, not disrespecting them, you know, but you know, them not really have the IQ for understand how to buy these music online. And some of these online platforms, you have to have some VPR or VPN thing where if you pick up them so you can buy music. Like I think iTunes, I think you have to have some Apple product or something like that for buy that, and everybody have iPhone and have access to Apple products. So a lot of things, a lot of disadvantage, you know, would have caused the people them to support the music. But at the end of the day, we still need the world to support our artists as dancehall. You understand? Yeah, we need them, the people there, for really, you know, give it that strength there. Because look at people in Jamaica can't do it. You see? So, but the way how you're gonna pre them artists out there on the level. Seeing? Yeah, tell me say when can't remember, you know, picture this. An artist out there are full of some arena. So the arena are like one say 15k people, 15,000. And the tickets, the people remember, you know, some of them album and thing are maybe like $10, you know. Yeah, $10. And the people we are going to show them prefer pay more than the $10, you know. Yeah, man, them prefer pay more than the $10 for the ticket. Them $100 ticket, 200 this and that. Seeing? So when you check it, it's like maybe them just know like funding, like supporting the music that way, but then we'll go to show them and sing it out. That I realize, or maybe, you know, them just love them just not love music for bite. You know, but it's so funny that when the artists them internationally drop them thing, them I get the support. So I saw me a pre say yo, if them can look on that, so I see him so them fear look on our thing. But you know, majority of the artists them out here, them, you know, them kind of come on out them thing, them do bugger things for the media, people lose respect. So it's like The artists them out here, the people them not really interested for really, that invested for go really for go buy music like that. Seeing? Yeah, it's like it not dead. It's like the people man say, yo, who rich foreign people don't care who want rich and rich. Drake could have drop 100 album them a buy it. Them not really pre how much millions the artists want, but Jamaican, yeah man, them a say, well, then by the time Popcaan get all what 22 million at much and get from people, alright, now buy an album, you rich already, I saw the people them a pre. But you gotta have true fan base. Because as an artist, you need to make the people them stick to your music. Not to the clout and whatever you're doing on social media. That's the problem. So the artists them need to steer the fan them in them music where them can support it more. This bag of internet thing, this live and all of these things. It a joke out on the sales, man. Yeah, man, it a joke out on the sales. So, right now, it look away upon the Unruly boss, less than 500 copies. Unruly fans don't need to do better than that, man. Can't make the man thing look away, so. Is it? We don't need to do better than this. We don't need to support the artists them more. Yeah, and the artists them need to make the fans them focus on their music and stop go on this social media thing and the bag of posting and all of them look at something they turn in their life, turn the music career in a reality show. So when you drop album and drop song, the people them no want to hear that. They want the drama and whatever you post that sell. Me I tell you, them drama and them thing they sell more than the music them. Cause you tell me say Popcaan have so many millions of followers on Instagram. And you're telling me less than 500. A man not even could have get 2,000-3,000 out of the followers there. It don't make no sense. Then where the one bag of posting for them? The music, video, all of these things. Alright. What is you see, this is the thing, What artist Instagram page or social media page, right? But tell people say the page them for move like a artist promotion thing, So whatever you go post, I want music video, I want music, I want album coming soon, all of this. Everything we have to, whether be like uplift the artist thing. You see this one bag of extra post where when I have nothing to do with artistry, that is the problem. So when you post one music on the Instagram page and then boom, when you look, 20 video when I have to do nothing with music. Just bag of drama, bag of chatting, bag of this. That's the problem in the dancehall thing. So people them are saying many people them stay away from the music and supporting the music. Yeah, and I just some see it. Yeah man, but people big up on yourself, Yeah man, I don't know one media facts, man. Yeah man, that is it.